Hello students, let's revise the first chapter again, because as you people know that this is your first online assessment test, and the syllabus for this already I have given first, second and third chapter from your reader textbook, and including the grammar exercises also. Okay, so now just see here that which kind of questions can come in the exam, and along with that let's do the revision also. So from the first chapter, your first chapter, that is the poem Incredible India. Here you have to learn these meanings: incredible, unbelievable, flourishing, growing well. What's the meaning of the flourishing? That is growing well. Civilization, an advanced human society with a high level of culture. Okay? Booming, to progress. Booming to progress. So in MCQ type question, meanings can also come. For example, it is going to be written there, that is booming, and below that four options will be given: to progress, growing well, like this. So whatever is going to be the correct answer, you have to choose the correct one. So learn the meanings also for the test. Now the second question, that is take the correct options. India extends from Kanyakumari to dash. So from Kanyakumari to the Himalayas. Okay. India has a dash biodiversity: narrow, flourishing, diminishing. It's a flourishing. Okay. Third one, India is the dash largest growing economy. Second, third and the fifth. Third. Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Sikh all dash Indian land. Here what's going to be here? Inherit. So you have to choose this. Now from the question answers, no need to prepare the lengthy answers. Okay, for example, third question, write about the economy of India. So no need to prepare this for your first assignment test, because as you people know that this test is going to be consist of MCQs type question. So no need to prepare the lengthy questions for that. Only one word answers or the answers containing one sentence, such type of questions you have to prepare. For example, first one, how many states and territories does India have? So 29 states and 7 territories. And the ancient civilizations, who are the geniuses referred, or the people of which religion live in India, like this. One word or one answers containing one word or the one sentence. This rhyming words also, you are quite familiar with this. Now match the words with their meanings. Already we have learned backside. Now from the punctuation, so no need to prepare this for your online assessment. This you have to prepare. Write the parts of a speech of the underlined words in the following sentences. My father works in a factory. My father works in a factory. Here factory has been underlined. So what is a factory here? That is a noun. So this can come in the MCQs type question. For example, if factory has been underlined there, and below that some options will be written: noun, adjective, pronoun and verb. So you have to choose the correct one. Whatever it's going to be the correct answer, you have to choose that answer. Okay. Second, Kanika is my best friend. Here best has been underlined, and what is best here? That is the adjective. So there no need to write the answers. You will get these questions in the form of MCQs. Below that you will get some options, and you have to choose the correct one. It is my doll. It has been underlined. What is it here? That is a pronoun. So this also you have to prepare. He thought of a wise plan. Thought. What is the thought here? It's a verb. Next one. The cat is under the table. Under. This is the preposition. Do it quickly. What's the quickly here? It's an adverb. Jasmines are white in color. White. What is a white here? This is adjective. She was angry but said nothing. But. What is but here? It's a conjunction. Okay. The weather was very cold. What's a very here? It's a adverb. We had breakfast at a cafe near the railway station. So what is the breakfast here? It's a verb. So this you have to prepare for your online assessment test. So these are the things which you have to prepare from the first chapter. Now revision of the second chapter I'll give you in the next video. So prepare it.